Hey James, it's Lloyd, mate. Just a quick video on how to get started with this Google Q&A software, so I'll give you access to it. So once you've downloaded it, you'll have this folder in your downloads. Best thing to do, mate, is just to copy that to the desktop. And then all you want to do is extract to Q&A. What that'll then do, mate, is that'll give you this folder. All you need to do is double click on the Google Q&A _ locked file. When you first run it, mate, you'll be asked to enter an email address and a license key. Use the details I've sent over to you on Messenger Bud. And then the software will start, which looks like this. Then you can ask a question, how to fix a boiler. Use your google.co.uk. No need for the http://www, just google.co.uk be fine with. Number of answers to click on. Basically what this does is it'll return 39 for 15. I don't know why it does that, but there's nothing wrong with having too much information with. So click on run. Software will kick in. It'll open up Google Chrome. It will then start typing our seed question, and then what will happen is it'll bring up the results, and then it'll start clicking through people also ask. And what it'll do is it'll carry on through this for 15 times. But with the Google, with how Google works on the SERP, each time you click a new question and answer, it adds 3 or 4 answers to the bottom of the list. So once that's done with, I'll show you the 2 output files. We'll have a CSV output file, and we'll also have a HTML file. So we click OK on that, minimize the software, and then you'll have a results folder. Inside the results folder, you'll have how to fix a boiler CSV file and how to fix a boiler HTML file. I'll show you the HTML file, mate, which is this has just been added over the last couple of days. I've not sent out an email about this yet, so double click the HTML file, and what we have, mate, is we have 39 questions and answers, all relating to how to fix a boiler. Now, as you can see, and as you probably know, Google bolds certain letters, certain words, certain synonyms throughout search results. These are synonyms of if your boiler. So we've asked the question, how to fix a boiler. So Google knows, and there's got to be some coloration. That's right. So why Google is bolding these words. Now, what I do, bud, is I use SEMrush. So let me take you through SEMrush. I'm sure you know this, mate, but I'll just show you my process. So if I've done how to fix a boiler, create the document, give it a couple of seconds to spin. Right, so export document. Right, so what I do, mate, is I go to my content writer and I say, well, for the search how to fix a boiler, it's saying 874 words, the recommended length. Now, I normally put a couple of hundred on that, so I will buy 1,000-word document, but my content writer understands that throughout the content, these semantically related words need to be throughout the content. But what she also does now is using the HTML file, wherever it's gone. What's at the back there? What she does now is she looks through the answers and includes the bolded words throughout her content. If you're not following it, just hit us up, and I'll try and go through it a little bit more in depth with you. But the last thing I wanted to note to you, mate, is for outbound links, you're getting the perfect outbound link to link out to, as long as it's not a competitor. You've got 39 outbound links there that you can use if you're passing these over to your VAs for blogging type of things, for blogging posts. That's the HTML file. Let me have a look at the CSV file. Basically, mate, the CSV file is just the same questions and answers as the HTML file, but because I noted throughout the answers Google highlighting certain words and certain synonyms of each word, that's why I wanted to have the HTML output format. Let me know what you think, and if you need anything, give us a shout, bud. Cheers, mate.